Hakisnam banwan kan omlong syuk ke besok ya ke sorkar ban aikam sorkar ya ki samla. Namar ke jingroi ke jela ha ke jingbun brio. Kumta ke sorkar menta ke kenti ke le kat bala ban penselur ki samla ban yeng hala ki jong ki kejat. Da ke baseng kam lajong ha ke ba ke sorkar ru kan ai kilat jingerap. Ya geni Menteri Rang Ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapen pau ha ke jingelang pli ka karkhana ai jing hikai ha ke liang ka kam Thanjan ke balalong ha ke ni katayo. Ha ka artarik mentau bnai rempang ar hajar arpuar Menteri Rang Ba ke jela ulalet play ke jaka ajing hikai ka kam Thanjan keberan ha mau ka siang umro kebelatip kum kanela handloom and silk production unit kabalalong try du ba James Idkar. Ha kini ke jingelang le don rengkat ru MLA ke Mahurung Keneng constituency uba peniat Sing Siem u commissioner ke textiles uba FR Karkongor u director ke tenat sericulture bat weaving UCB Sangma bat QWD officer. Kanela Handloom and Silk Production Unit kepada nakesnong mau ke siang umro kadai ke karkhana ke bapen mi igijan ke ba harukom hakarukam Thanjan tenrai lengba ke kor flying aid loom bad ke baji kai ru i kebadan kejing angnut bantrei ya kene kakam. Habakran ke jingelang ke kene sengi Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba ke sorkar naduk ki por ki belalej kajuai ke jing kershan ki brio ki baseng ya ki bobon ki kam lajong kenang bakin yang halaki jong ki kejat. Bada kishpos na manwan ke sorkar kan haban aikam me kombasan lakngot ki samla. Henrei nalor ki kam sorkar ki kam lajong kan de gebenta ke bak sorkar kan penslur ki samla. Namar kam long ke besok ban aikam sorkar lut ya baro. Hagani ke sengi Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan benaru ban ai ke jingkershan pisa shipau lak tengka syakanela Handloom and Silk Production Unit ban penjanai syuk-syuk ya kene ke karkhana. Haga bapen mi ikijan ban ai jing hikai ya ki weipat.
Opportunities to many unemployed youths in this locality, in this state as a whole. So we do encourage more youths to come forward. Like Bat James is very right and correct example as a young entrepreneur who will in future be bright.
And that is the reason why in the last 3.5, 4 years, once we came to the government, I have been promoting and pushing for entrepreneurship. And that is how I met Bat James also. It is through the Chief Minister's Entrepreneur of the Month that I came in touch with James and I saw the wonderful work he was doing. And like him, there are many entrepreneurs with whom I was able to meet up and really understand what they're doing in order to create business and opportunity, create jobs, and really be productive in a very, very, positive manner. And therefore, what James is doing today is something that we should all be inspired by. And that is the reason why when I was told about this project, without any hesitation, I have decided to come and to be part of this program. It is to show my support. It is also to tell the rest of the population and the youth that if James can do it, then you can also do it.